In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create an ebook in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log in. On the home page, go to the search bar and type ebook. You'll see ebook template appear. Click on it. Now Canva will show you many templates. Some are paid, but we want free ones. Click on all filters, scroll down, select free, and click apply. Now choose any free template you like and click. Customize this template. The editor will open. Here, you can change everything: the title, author name, background, colors, and text. Just click on any text box to edit it. If you want more chapters, simply duplicate a page or copy and paste sections. To add a new blank page, click Add Page at the bottom. You can also add images by clicking Photos or Uploads. Then drag the image into your design. Once your ebook is ready, click Share in the top right corner. Then click Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality. Select all pages and click Download. That's it. This is the easiest way to create a professional ebook in Canva.